hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the charting session. Monday morning charting session. We're going to get this going. We are in a nice pullback right now because of tariff talks over the weekend and implementing of tariffs. We had President Trump implement 25% tariffs on our partners, our trading neighbors in Mexico and Canada. He's talking about implementing some more taxes on China, but he's already sitting down talking with the Prime Minister of Canada and he's talking with the President of Mexico today. Let's see what kind of deal they come to. But in the meantime, in between time, we got to chart our levels. So I got a few companies lined up today. We're going to chart. Going to chart probably 3 price levels live with you guys. And then we're going to take the rest to the private Discord session where I'll do the rest of my price levels for the week. And we are going to do Coinbase today, Nvidia, and I want to look at a third one, either going to be Microsoft, Apple, or actually no, Coinbase, Nvidia, and we're going to do SPY. We're going to get an ETF in there for you guys. Coinbase, Nvidia, and SPY. I think we're going to have some nice rebound bounces from the pullbacks we had in those few names right there. So I want to set you guys up for success with some good entries. And let's get this money, man. Let's bring the crew in. We're live.
As high as 120, and the dividend payout went down too. That's not good.
All right,
That's interesting.
I'm back. Got the live session started. What dividend payment went down? Who you talking about?
IIPR.
Oh, IIPR. Yeah, man, my baby. They went all the way down to $70-some.
The dividend payment went down too.
To what?
Down to 10%.
They on a nice little bounce though. They bouncing off that $67 level. As long as they keep holding that support, I'm all right.
Oh shit! I forgot all about my gold trade last night. Oh,
IPR. Let me look at IPR really quick.
Let's go.
Oh,
shit, kid, I forgot about my gold trade, kid. Go there all-time high record, man.
What you traded gold on?
A trade locker. I caught the bounce. Yeah.
Where's the
that shit all-time high, fellas. Let's go.
Where's them dividends? Oh, here they go.
You said you in Microsoft.
What you mean, man? January 19th, yeah, January 15th, IPR paid $1.90, man. The dividend going up, maybe. You see the dividend payment on there? $1.90 in January, $1.90 in October. It was $1.82 in April last year.
Yeah, but when it was at 120, it was paying like a good 12%. Like, why is it paying 10% at $70?
No, I don't know what it comes out as. Let's see what February comes out like when they do the February payment.
Right.
Let's see what that one comes out at, but. Like the dividend was on a nice consistent rise. That's what I always liked about IIPR. No matter where the price fluctuated to, they kept their dividend pretty consistent. And not only consistent, it kept going up. Because I remember the dollar, I was just good with $1. And then the next thing you know, it was $1.17, then it was $1.20, then it got to $1.50. So I'm gonna keep my eye on them because they had $1.90, almost $2 a share. That's a beautiful dividend. But yeah, we keep a close eye on them, especially all this tariff news and all this stuff going on. You hear Trump? I sent you the post where Trump's already talking with the Prime Minister in Canada and Mexico already today.
Yeah.
That's why. So tariffs could be gone tomorrow, man. So people don't understand this. They thinking it's like it's a forever thing. They come to some agreement, boom, tariffs be gone. And then what happened? Market take back off.
Yeah.
That's just Canada and Mexico. There's the rest of the world.
It's so back pants.
Exactly. So, but now if he's using tariffs as a negotiation tool and everybody's acquiescing to what he's negotiating to, then the tariffs will never come in. So we gotta see how this whole thing pan out. This is gonna be a wild, choppy ass ride this week, especially with the earnings we have coming out as well. Let's pull up the earning reports really quick before we get these levels in. Let's pull up the earnings report and the investment calendar. So we got Palantir today after close, Google tomorrow after close, Google, Pepsi, AMD tomorrow, Pfizer tomorrow, PayPal, Chipotle. Chipotle may suffer. You know what I was thinking? Like retail. I was thinking retail and food industry companies may suffer most immediately from the tariffs, but we'll see. Then you got Disney on Wednesday, Qualcomm Wednesday, ARM on Wednesday. This is gonna be big. Amazon on Thursday, Amazon and Eli Lilly on Thursday. That's gonna be a big one right there. Those are gonna be some big ones.
We're about to shake the whole market, man.
So it's gonna be a heavy week of earnings.
Earning reports.
Yeah, this week.
Did I hear Palantir, my baby?
Yeah, Palantir. I think it's today.
PLTR.
Yeah, they got earnings today.
Yeah, Palantir is today after close, man.
Palantir, where are we trading?
Hold on, I'm getting a lot of alerts on Apple, man. Apple is at a put level. Apple might keep tanking from here. We gotta watch them.
Yeah, that's it. They going to spend on Microsoft to 4 or 5.
But I'm live right now, so let's get this charting in for the people real quick, man. Let's bring the levels to the people. This is what they want. They want the levels. They just want the levels.
Microsoft go down to 4 or 5, boy, listen, I'm getting a 10-pack.
You gotta tell me twice. I'm waiting on. Look at Tesla. Oh my God.
That right.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for them to catch their support around like 370. Let me see the level I got for them down here. Oh, the next level down I got for them is 357. Maybe they go down there, maybe not, but that's the next support level I have for Tesla.
If they go down there, most definitely I'm looking for costs. 350.
Yeah, Microsoft. Microsoft.
Anything going down?
It may not be a big bounce, but
yeah.
I think we should have a relief bounce. I don't believe this dip.
You don't believe in the dip,
this
Tim?
Is tariff shit. This is hell no. This is a news journey pullback. It's all from news.
Yeah. All right. Well, the 3 companies I was going to chart live today, I was going to do them SPY, Coinbase, and NVIDIA for the people live. So let's look at SPY real quick. You know, I like to look at the weekly when I'm doing my levels. I had a call entry on SPY at 591.70. That was the call entry before. I think that we will shift that call entry because we pull back to right there. I won't make that call, the call entry anymore. We'll make, it's actually touched as the high of the day. We're going to make this level right here. What price is this? That's going to be 594.38. That'll be my call entry for SPY. If we could close it, if we could start pushing above there, I'll start messing with SPY. And if we close below, I will use the 591.70 if we start closing below there as a put entry now this week. So that's going to be support right now. If it breaks that support and starts closing below that support, we're going to use that as the put entry.
Yeah, I go fuck with that.
Yeah.
I can see it breaking below the 90s if it does that.
Right, exactly. We'll get a quick dip to like 587. I could see that happening.
They always do that shit because they gonna think, oh, everybody gonna think the 90s is the psych level and they gonna take that shit out.
Take it right out.
Seen that way too many. Seen that way too many times, boy.
All right. We'll set okay, so we're gonna do 594 entry. Let's take that in 594, 38. Close above there, that'll be entry. The first call target I'm gonna say is gonna be, it's a pretty big gap. Oh no, it's not. Okay, I found the level. We got one right here at 596.20. That could be the first take profit level if you jump in those calls. And then after 596.20, you got the big level up here. We're going to say 598.75. After that, we're going to retest in 600 again. But 598.75, I'll probably be out right there after this pullback. Give us some time to push out the sellers out the market when we get back up there, because there's for sure going to be sellers waiting there again. And if there's not enough buyers to overcome the sellers waiting there, we'll just retrace right back down. So let's see how we retest that 600 psych level if we get back up there. And the put entry 591.70. We'll take profit on the puts on SPY at 587.68 level. We got that from the wick on the week of December 23rd, Christmas week. That was the Christmas week low for SPY, 587.68. So we'll take profit there. And if we break below that, we will go ahead and take profit at 584.66. Yeah, 584.66.
I like it.
Yeah, and that's the top level from going back to, what week is this? That's going to be the resistance we were hitting back in October 21st, 2024. We kind of wicked around that area a lot. And we bottom wicked there too in November 18th and November 11th, those 2 weeks. So I like that level to get out, 584. That'll be super extended pullback. That means like, oh shit, it's getting real out here. It's getting real out here. And those contracts on SPY, I'm gonna say daily contracts, the shortest ones I usually do. So 1 week to 4 week expiration is what you want to look for whenever you're entering off these call or put entries on SPY. Keep it short. I like keeping SPY things short and sweet. Or you're going to go really far out with SPY, but that's more so on the call end. I tell people go out far with their SPY or QQQ calls, the ETF calls, because ETFs tend to trend up more than anything. So if you want to go a year out, 2 years out with an ETF call, that's not a bad way to have exposure to ETF versus holding the shares. Let's go to Coinbase. Ooh, look at Coinbase. Let me look at my contract. Hold on. We at 282, my boy. I got in at 277. The levels don't lie. I might have to take profit. I might have to get up out of here. I got 3 contracts.
Yeah, we had a nice bounce on the market overall. I took those Tesla calls at 275. Tesla's at 282 right now.
Oh, you took them?
Good also.
The 380. I might get in that with you. We just putting the 3 bar on Tesla on the 15. I might grab a Tesla call with you. I usually don't trade Mondays. Tesla is going to be on the list this week, y'all, but we are not giving those levels live. So you got to be part of the community to get those. Tesla, but I'm going to jump in here with you. And
I like us for a retest back to 400 this week, at least 400.
We're going to give Tesla to, okay, I know the level you're going to give on Tesla. Y'all going to get this level live. I'm going to give y'all this level live. We're going to look for 397 on Tesla on the recovery bounce. That'll be the first target.
Yeah, I had at 395, but I like it. 375 was golden zone.
Hold on, I gotta execute this buy real quick. All right, we in testing, man. I gotta send an alert up here. We're gonna do a initial level. We want to look for early level 389.20. Gotta be the early level we will need to break, and then 397 be the second target on those. So I'm gonna put my alert in right now. Make these purple lines. I'm gonna put an alert in here. And the stop on this Tesla call will be low of the day. I'm not going to play with it. So 375 will be gone out of there.
At 375 for sure.
374.75.
That's my stop loss.
Market is back. Market is back. Let's buy calls.
I'm in calls. We in calls, baby. We in Tesla calls right now. Rock with us. We rocking Tesla calls. And I'm in Coinbase calls. I'm up 40% on Coinbase already. Let's go, Coinbase. Give me my money back, market.
Everything looks good. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Fucking thieves. The market is fucking
SPY just
thieves.
didn't go. Qs just didn't go.
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to do a SPY contract. I just wanted to do an ETF contract. How we feel about SPY? How we feel about SPY? I got a SPY entry at. Hold on. The people getting this live. 594.38 was my SPY entry. I'm late. Oh, fuck. I'm late.
I got a gap fill on SPY at 598. If you want to play it to the upside, I like the 598 gap fill from Friday.
Okay, I'm gonna get a 599.
Like 598.60.
I'm gonna get a 599 call right now. All right, we in there. That's it. That's all my exposure for today. I can't take any more than that. SPY, Tesla, Coinbase.
Hold on, y'all think SPY?
Yeah, SPY calls. Look at SPY. Look at the SPY chart.
Yeah, he jumped in.
Yo, you know I was gonna get a 0 day. The 0 day was like $60 this morning, or $596, kid. Now that shit's damn near $200.
I was gonna say probably $200, $300, boy.
Damn.
You got a level at 596.20. If we close above 596.20, we're gonna push to 598.76 pretty quick. I think we're gonna retest 600 because everybody's used to SPY being around 600 now. So I think that's a psychological level that we're gonna have a resistance around once we get back up there. So I'm out of SPY at 598.76. I'm out. Put my alert in.
That's fucking nuts, dog. I could have grabbed 2 contracts and I was done for the day.
You would have been good.
Alright. Well, I grabbed 2 more Microsoft. Fuck it.
Hey, you know what you should check? Check on Alibaba. You caught Alibaba last week. Check on Alibaba. See if they had a pullback. You may be able to catch re-entry on them.
Y'all know what's causing the pump?
The rebound.
You talking about what we doing right now?
Yeah, y'all know what's causing it?
I don't see nothing on CNBC
Nah, this
right
ain't no
now.
pump. This is a relief bounce.
No, it's
This is
causing
a relief
it.
bounce.
1024, Mexican president says he had a good conversation with Trump. Says they would deploy 10,000 National Guards immediately to the border to avoid traffic, and this is why Trump put up the tariffs on Mexico because they got border security on there. It says he has worked to committed the trafficking, and they said they have paused Mexican terrorists
For a month.
from now.
For a month. Let's go. For a month. Let's go. Shout out to Mexico.
That's bullish.
Shout out to Mexico. I figured it had to do something with them tariff talks that he's doing. Now watch. Now the next news gonna come out is gonna be from the from Canadian side. It's gonna be more bullish news.
Yeah, I can see it.
That's gonna be the second push of it because he met with both of them today.
Shit, that's good. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Alibaba $100 though.
Oh damn, they still at $100. I thought it was in the 90s. If they was in the 90s, I might have messed with it, but $100 I'm not touching it.
Yeah. You could have caught it this morning below 96 or at 96.
7 million calls in SPY were purchased immediately.
Immediately.
News came out about tariffs. Mexico.
Let's
Crazy.
go. That's what I like to
He
hear.
has technically style, but obviously we're in a big fundamental market right now. So
No, it's heavy fundamentals, right? All you gotta keep the news on all day while you trading now.
Right.
You
Except
literally.
for when Biden's in office, because he was sleeping, so it was all technical.
Yeah, he was sleeping. You could chart Biden's whole 4 years out ahead of time if you had the right
the
technical.
whole thing, but not Trump. This motherfucker.
Yeah, this
That
guy.
nigga's you was sleeping.
I'm dead, boy.
Trump gonna make you turn on the news every day.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. I'm buying another contract. Make it 5. Fuck it.
Of what?
Microsoft.
I want to buy something else too. I didn't get enough Tesla.
I got enough Tesla.
One more
Is
something.
Microsoft still lagging the market recovery bounce? Oh yeah, it is. It is still lagging. How about Apple? We gotta see who's lagging the bounce. Apple may be a little. Apple, you could get Apple before it gets back into the 230s. You may have some to ride up to 232, but that's still a little risky with all the shit surrounding Apple. Period. So I think Microsoft may be a better play. Like I was saying, Microsoft and Coinbase for sure. I like Coinbase still.
Yeah. I like Microsoft a lot more than Apple.
I'm not too hyped up. I'm not too hyped up about the whole Mexico thing, because if you go look up Mexico, it's not really a stronghold trade. It's more for them. We import a lot of avocados for them.
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't really hurt us much, right? Avocado price might go up a little bit. There's other trade avenues for avocados in America, right? So he did that same shit last time. It didn't really do too much, right? So that's why I feel like this problem was resolved pretty easily. Like most of it is avocados, nigga. But when it comes to other countries where we export and import energy resources and things of that nature, it's gonna smack, bro. Right now, this was the avocado slump.
Nvidia back to 116. What's happening though? Like you said, everybody's just reacting off of headlines and news. So when people see the headlines that was a good talk, that's it. That's what the market's moving off of. They're not even thinking that deep into it. I honestly believe. Like it's just like, yo, this was a good talk. We like to hear that. Boom, pop back up. Now we hear good talk with Canada. Boom, the market's gonna pop again. People won't even have all the details on the conversation to know exactly what's happening. They just have to know it's a good talk. Boom, this market gonna pop.
Let's go. That's what I like to see.
SPY really made touch. SPY calls up 30%.
I got one more call on Walmart.
Tesla calls pushing. Let's go, Tesla.
Tesla is up 70% on those calls from 375.
I got 34%. Oh man, I'm so excited. Sorry, I got y'all live in the charting session. Y'all catching these live trades. This is a beautiful thing. We're gonna get back to the levels really quick for you all that's watching. Let me look at
My first price target on Tesla is 390.30.
So we just did. All right, we had the levels for SPY. So the SPY levels triggered. The SPY call entry triggered right before your eyes, and it hits first target and it's on its way to second target. Literally, right after we set the levels, it just happened.
That's good, boy.
Beautiful, live and direct, right in front of your face, so you see.
Man, fucking Thames, bro. Thames is oof.
Are they still pushing today?
Yeah, man.
Oh man, we missed out on that pullback that they had. I wanted to catch them at 51. They never pulled back to 51.
Hell nah, I was looking for 52.
That's why I didn't even got that, because they never even came back to the entry. God damn.
I had a range from 48 to 52. Anything in that 48 to 52, I was gonna blow with the boat.
I think our new target entry has to sit around somewhere around 54.
Mm-hmm.
Might have to be around 54, 60.
Yeah. That's what I got.
That was another free level for the live right there, man. Look, 10 level live for you guys, right direct. But let's get back to Coinbase. We was doing Coinbase level. All right, for those that didn't catch the first Coinbase rally, I have a level on here already. We're going to stick with the levels last week. We had call entry at 288. on Coinbase, we had a target at 295, and then we had a target at 297.90. 295.90 and 297.90 after the 288 entry. But what we're going to do now, because of that breakdown, I'm going to give you a closer first target, and we'll make 295 the second target. So if you get in 288 on Coinbase, I want you to look for 291.80 as your first target. We're going to change that first target to 291.80, and then the second target will make 295.90. Only because we had such a rapid pull down that I could see more resistance coming in that area, so you want to be careful. And the stop out is going to be 283.90 on that. Coinbase, give me my money. Taking my money from Coinbase. We have 47%. I'm taking that. Are we going to have we got 6 more minutes left on this candlestick. We're going to give this 15-minute candlestick is closed. We're going to let it close and probably get up out of Coinbase right here, y'all. I'm not going to lie. It's pretty much like a 0 day when you're dealing with Coinbase contracts that expire within the same week. So you got to be very careful and watch.
Yeah.
Because 1 second you'll be up 100%, next second you're down 20%. You know, it's all in the same candlestick. You don't even know how that could possibly happen.
Coinbase like that. Coinbase love that engulf itself, boy.
Boy, does it.
That shit engulf everything. Fucking.
So.
I'd be in and out.
Yep. And then the put entry on Coinbase is 277.35 with a target, first target at 273.40 and second target at 271.46. It actually touched both of those pre-market, and then we bounced off of both of those targets.
I know, man. Above. That sounded like it didn't give the levels I wanted. It wasn't given until the market opened.
Yeah, no. If you didn't swing puts through the weekend and you're trying to catch puts this morning, you're getting smashed. I hate only people that's making money off of puts are people that swung puts through the weekend and they made money off that big drop. And outside of that,
yeah,
you will have to wait until you see resistance on this upswing we're taking, because I'm pretty sure we are going to hit a resistance point. I'm looking for gaps to refill. It's funny because 288.65 is a gap refill for Coinbase back to the upside. And that's like the call entry level for people who haven't caught this rally that we're on right now. That'll be your call entry level. So you want to see a 30-minute close or an hourly close above 288.65. And then we got, last but not least, let's go to my boy NVIDIA over here, struggling. Let's set some NVIDIA levels, man. Let's look at NVIDIA real quick. I got a put entry on NVIDIA. I think I'm going to keep this as a solid put entry right here. That is the price level of 115.90. 115.90 if we start closing below there. After this rebound we just did, if we start closing back below there, I think that's the put entry level. So we're going to put an alert there for the trigger. And then to the upside, we want to look for calls. I want to look for calls on NVIDIA. A strong call entry level. I'm not going to lie. You may have to be a little patient for this one if you're not in NVIDIA already. Let's pull it down to this wick back here. This is like middle ground. I'm doing this based off of the July 1st, 2024 bottom wick. We're going to get in at 118.85. If we close above there, that could be our call entry on NVIDIA. We could still see pretty heavy chop in there because there's a lot of wicks in this area, period.
Tesla, that's fucking cool, man. Tesla's trying to fucking, oof.
Let's go, Tesla.
That shit about that. What is it, a 3-bar up on your chart at this point? Or has it already 3-barred up?
Three barred on the last 15. Let me look at the 30 real quick. The 30 is on a 2 up right now on the 30, but the 15 put in the 3-bar previous candlestick on that bounce.
Gotcha, I figured that.
389.20 is a level I got on Tesla. We want to get back above there.
Let's go, man.
And then we're looking for 397.13 That's the next level. At 397.13, I'm out of Tesla, boy. I'm taking that. I don't care if it didn't get back to 400. Y'all can have 400.
Man, I'm about to let you have that shit after 390. I ain't.
Yeah, I'm about to be out of here.
I got it at 375. I got it a little earlier than you, boy.
Look at Coinbase. Let's go, Coinbase. Do your thing, Coinbase. That's why I like letting candlesticks close. You see, we had 6 minutes left on the candlestick. It was chopping around. Now we in the last 2 minutes of the candlestick. We're getting the move. Sometimes you gotta wait till the last 40 seconds of the candlestick to get the true move of what the candlestick's gonna close like. So we're gonna wait right here. Coinbase is doing us nice. I'm really considering getting out of Coinbase right here. Heavily.
How many cons you got?
I got 3 contracts.
Shed 2, leave 1 runner.
Shed 2, leave a runner. You're right. Shed 2, leave a runner. I won't give this candlestick time to close. See if we test this 288.65 entry level. If so, that's beautiful because we are up 70% right now on coin. Let's get it.
Sir.
Let's get it between them and Tesla. Got to keep your eyes sharp on the market. Let me finish with the people with these NVIDIA call levels so I can lock in and get on these trades. Because it is hectic today. It's a beautiful day, though. Listen, we had a pullback over the weekend, but if you let pullbacks demoralize you and get you out of focus too much, you will always miss the recovery bounce. You got to stay on your toes. You cannot let the market shake you too much. You can never get too up, never get too down in the market. You got to find that middle ground. When you're winning, you can't get too high on your winnings because now you're thinking, oh, I can't never lose. I can never take a loss. And then that's when the whole market reverses on you. And when you take that loss and you feel like, damn, I'm down and out, all my contracts are down 60, 70% after this crazy gap down, look for the opportunity and the bounce that's coming because we all know how the market operates. Sometimes it will continue to tank on you, but that's where you got to set your technical levels to determine, like, okay, if it keeps going below and it gets below this level, I'm going to get puts because we most likely going to keep pushing down. But if we seem like we're bouncing around this level, I'm going to get some calls because there's a good chance we have a recovery bounce like we're doing today. And all we need is another piece of good news to come out on these tariff talks with Trump and Canada. Because right now, that's the main thing they have on the screen right now. I'm going to pull it up so y'all can see. They're talking about, oh, nah, y'all not going to be able to see CNBC. CNBC don't let me share the screen. But it's pretty much talking about, that's what's on here right now. They're talking about the Mexican president delaying tariffs for at least 1 month. So we know what a delay means. A delay means the more talks are coming, and tariffs probably won't happen. And the tariffs that's on Mexico will probably be lowered or taken off by President Trump in response to what Mexico is going to do in order to respond to the immigration issue. Because they obviously went to talk to see what his demands were and exactly what they could do to get these tariffs released. What is he looking to see? What does he want them to do? So, all right. Coinbase candlestick closed. We about to take profit right here. We're going to get out at 286. We taking 60% profit. Can't complain. It's a beautiful day.
I'm going to hold just a little longer.
I might hold a runner. I'm not going to lie.
Trying to get this pop on Tesla. Tesla got a inverse head and shoulder right now that's trying to play out. This is the right shoulder that I'm watching.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about. Oh, hold on. I'm about to press sell on Coinbase, but it decided to pop again. Hold on. These are the good times in trading. When you about to hit the sell button.
Wait a second. We should get this move by 11 o'clock. It should be out.
If we put in a 2-up bar on this 15-minute candlestick again on Coinbase, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till this 15-minute close.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to 11 o'clock.
Are we gonna put in a 2-up again? Oh, we just put in another 2-up. Oh, the Lord is telling me to wait. The Lord is saying, "My son, be patient."
Yes, I said, hold.
Hold.
Hold the fort. Yeah, hold the fort, man. Not yet.
Listen, I remember I held a little too long on Friday, though, man. I got burnt on Friday, holding a little too long with Coinbase.
Oh, so you ain't saying nothing but a word. I'm already knowing.
We can't play with them again. We can't let them do us dirty back to back.
Damn, NVIDIA looks nice.
Yeah, I'm in NVIDIA calls already, but my NVIDIA's in recovery mode. Those contracts are down. I need them to bounce back.
What's your position? I might catch the discount.
No, I'll tell you right now. Hold on. Let me sell some of these Coinbase real quick.
XRP don't sound too crazy at $2 now. Do it.
It don't. It's beautiful.
Get some more.
Come back down there. I still got a price target of Trump coin at $12. It's almost there.
Last night that shit was on sale. That shit touched 170 last night.
I'm not touching that Trump coin. That boy is wild.
Man. I just want to see something.
Tesla.
You really think they're going to pump the crypto market and not pump the Trump coin? What you think they're going to do, like dump it?
I mean, he's not claiming any attachment to it, so that's the only thing. Like, if he claimed it, yeah, he can't. He said he knew nothing about this shit.
Yeah, he legally can't say too much, honestly. That motherfucker in there, I know he all in that coin.
He got it and a ghost. He got a ghost wallet holding it. He said he knew nothing about it.
He said he wouldn't speak on it.
He said from his Twitter how he knew nothing about it.
He what?
He probably legally saying. Yeah, we know.
On Twitter.
What did he say on Twitter?
He tweeted his contract address, bro. What are you talking about?
When did he tweet that?
The night this shit came out. That's why everybody found out from his Twitter.
No, he said he knew nothing about it in the news.
He not gonna claim it.
Yeah, he not gonna claim it.
How the fuck can he? What? Nigga, that's his Twitter. Nobody ever said that. It's probably still there.
Hey man, that nigga done turned presidency into a reality show, boy. I can tell you that.
What?
This shit is a TV show, man.
I ain't gonna lie, I watched that show. Get that man a show, man.
What Westbrook said?
Nigga, he already got a show. The shit he doing now. This is a whole TV show.
These niggas tripping. Look,
and Microsoft need to hurry the fuck up, man.
Yeah, they got that. I don't know. They've been iffy since earnings about that cloud data shit.
Look up some.
I like Tesla a whole lot more. Something.
So ownership.
That pop gonna be crazy on Microsoft, boy.
Yeah, it's gonna be one day. That shit just rallied the whole fucking day.
Yep, I'm in Microsoft right now, boy. I'm waiting for that. Shit, let me get the people. The NVIDIA
I got
levels,
5 contracts.
They have a $10 move up on one day watch. It's coming. Microsoft up 8% on the day, $10.
Yep. For real.
I think once it get back above like 420, that's a starter level for it to be safe. Above those 420s.
Yeah. I believe so. Oh, look at Walmart pushing. Let's go.
Wally World. I'm not gonna slide. I sold one of my long contracts this morning, boy. That shit was up so much I had to take my profit. I had to get it back. All right,
ain't gonna lie, boy. I slept on Walmart, boy.
Yeah, boy. That's one of my best long plays, Walmart. Shout out to Walmart.
I gotta pay right now. Like I told you last week, boy, I got one of them $80 calls on my watch list. That shit up damn near 3,000%.
Okay.
Great.
So we're gonna do 118.80 entry on NVIDIA calls. That's how we're gonna enter NVIDIA with 120.78 the first target on NVIDIA, and 122.99, pretty much 123 second target, and we'll stop out If you got in that call, you would stop out 118.85. I want you to stop out right at 116.40. Get up out of there. Your put entry on NVIDIA is going to be 115.90. $113.18 is the first target on that NVIDIA put. At 112.03 is going to be target number 2. These contracts, I think you should make these weekly. So you want to look for a contract that expires at least 1 to 4 months out in expiration. Don't be cheap. Even if you got to get one contract, it's going to be worth it with NVIDIA. If you want to do a daily contract, now I suggest keeping it within like 3 weeks away, 3 to 4 weeks away, especially with how much volatility is in the market. But we're going to call these out to be weekly contracts.
Oh my God, Tempest 8. Oh my gosh, bro.
Not even talking about it. It's about to be $60, ain't it? Yeah.
That shit at fucking $60, bro. What in the hell? How we keep missing this?
We gonna get the opportunity again. I caught it once. Shit, I'm happy I caught it at least one time. I'm happy I caught it at one time at least.
This shit do not miss, bro. Like the last 5 trading sessions I've watched, this shit just shoot up at open.
It's gone crazy, yeah.
Yeah, that shit about to hit $60, bro.
We gonna catch it next time around. Hold on, y'all. Let me So thank you everybody coming through the charting session today. A lot of gems were dropped today as far as outside of the charting we did and the price levels. You got a lot of gems today as far as companies we're watching, as far as some price levels, and even some plays that we entered today that we're doing very well in as far as Coinbase, Google, and Tesla. All right. So I hope you guys learned something today, or at least got some good price levels that you could work off of. Make sure you set your alerts. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Discord as well. That's where you're going to get all the information. Subscribe to the Discord and follow us on every platform from YouTube, Instagram. We're on TikTok as well at Culture Shock Investments on everything. You can't miss us. All right? Look for the golden elephant. Thank you all for coming through today, and I'll see you next week for the charting session. Let's see how these tariffs play out. Let's see if China, Mexico, Canada, and Trump play nice together.